In this video, I'll show you how to build and deploy any Docker image to Google Cloud. The first thing you want to do is make sure you have a Google Cloud account. So go to cloud.google.com and create an account there. And then the next step would be to install the Google Cloud CLI. So you need to follow the steps here to install command line interface. So after you have finished installing this CLI, go back to the Google Cloud Console. So to do that, click this console button, and then from here you want to create a new project. So I'll just name your project name whatever. And then click create. Now it's done. Select the project, and then now from here we want to enable 3 APIs on Google Cloud. So the first one will be called artifact registry. So just search up artifact registry. Click enable. Some error, it's fine, just click retry if you get this error. Alright, so now it's enabled. Go back, enable, the next one will be cloud build. Search up cloud build, and enable this one. All right, this one's done as well. And then the final one is should be cloud deploy. And then just enable this one. All right, so now this part is done. After you make your Google Cloud account, you want to make sure you have billing enabled. So to do that, click the menu and then click there's this billing tab. So just click that, and so I already set this up, but you need to set it up, and so you will need a credit card to do this, but it won't charge you since if you go down here, you see that we do get a bunch of free credits to use. Now, the next step will be logging into Google Cloud in the terminal. So you should already have the CLI installed at this point. So just do gcloud auth login, and it should pull up this page, and then you have to sign in, and then allow, and then now you should be able to you should now be signed in. And now the next step is you want to set the current project to the project you just created. So for me, I already did this, but just to do it again, just do gcloud config set project, and this project ID is from before. So if you go back to the dashboard of the project you just made, the project ID is right here. So just copy this. All right, and now we should be good to go. So my Docker image is just like this is I'm just using the create React app example here. So it's very simple, and as you see, my Docker file is right here. Very simple, very simple. So you want to make sure that everything works locally first. So just run these commands. Docker build. Whoops, docker example dot. And then docker run dp 3000. Oops, docker run dp 3000. Alright, so now I just run it locally just to make sure it works. So just go to localhost 3000 and you see that it's now running on Docker and everything works. So now we can build and deploy this on Google Cloud without any issues. So to do that, go back to the terminal and you need to run this command gcloud artifacts repository create, and then so what we're doing here is creating a folder for the Docker image. So you just need to name a name for this folder. Just call this, yeah, just name it whatever you want. And then we need to add this option, repository format equals Docker, and then the location options. For me, I just go with US Central 1. You could choose whatever you want. And then finally, description option. All right, so now click enter. And it should be creating this folder. All right, so now it's done, create this repository, and we can actually go back here and check. So just search up artifact registry. And we see that, okay, this is the folder that we just made. The next step will be building our Docker image and storing it in this folder. So to do this, back to terminal, and we run this command, gcloud build submit, and then you need to pick a region again. So we just go with the same one. For me, US Central 1. And then we need a tag name. So this part is important. So for the tag name, you want to go back to the artifact registry here and then click into it. And then you see here that this should be this copy icon to get the full name. So we'll just copy this here and then paste it here. And then after that, you need to add you want to have a name for the image. So you just add a slash and then name it whatever you want like. So I'll just name it this, React gcloud example image. And then you need a colon and then add this tag 1 here. So this is just giving this a tag. You'll see later why we need this. So just click enter here. And now we should be building our Docker image. Okay, so if you run into this issue, we already enabled the API, but it's fine. Just yes again to enable it again. Okay, I named it wrong. Spelling error. I'll just fix this real quick. My bad. US Central 1 here. All right, now she's good to go. So this would take a couple of minutes. All right, now it's finally done. And now we go back to the artifact registry, this folder we made, and just refresh the page. You should see our Docker image. So it's now we have uploaded it successfully. Now the final step is just deploying it. So to do this, we just run gcloud run deploy, and then the image name is so go back here and click on this image you just uploaded, and you're able to copy the entire name. And you see here that the reason we had to add a tag is because we need tags for the Docker image. So we see this tag here. So just paste here, and don't forget the colon tag 1, and then enter. And now it'll ask you for some options. So whatever you want to name the service. Again, I guess we need to just enable it here, I guess, again. So yes. And now we just select a server. I went with US Central 1, so I'll be going with that again. And here, yes, you just put yes here. And now it should be deploying. Now we see that's done, and it has given us a service URL. So now the moment of truth. Copy this and paste it here. And there we go. We see that we have deployed it to Google Cloud. Now just to check to be sure, we can search up here, Cloud Run. And here we see that this is the service that we just made. So there you go. This is how to deploy a Docker image, build and deploy a Docker image to Google Cloud.